Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious almond cake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious almond cake. These are the ingredients: eggs, sour cream, butter, baking powder, of course the almonds, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, milk, almond extract, and the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. This cake comes out delicious, tender, and moist. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my eggs. Remember, all your ingredients need to be at room temperature so your cake comes out fluffy, delicious, and amazing. Well, I'm adding my granulated sugar, my sour cream, my butter. I'm going to add my milk and my almond extract. Once you add all your liquids, then we are going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is really incorporated and blended together. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to make this delicious, moist almond cake. I know that once you start making this cake, you are going to continue enjoying with your beautiful family this almond cake. Well, here all the wet ingredients are very incorporated. Now I'm adding my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. Once you add your dry ingredients, you're gonna really whisk it really good until there is no more dry ingredients and everything has combined and blended in each other. Look at this. The texture is gonna be nice and creamy. It's not gonna be too runny, but believe me, this cake comes out delicious. The aroma of the almond extract really invaded my kitchen. Okay, here I have the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel, step by step how to make this amazing non-stick cream. There is no need to butter your dish and then add all-purpose flour. Too many steps when you could just add one non-stick baking cream on the bottom and on the sides, and believe me, your cakes, your cupcakes, everything is going to come out perfectly. Nothing is going to stick to your baking dish. Well, here I'm gonna get all the mixture inside. I'm gonna tap it a little bit so that I get the air bubbles out, and I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, let me show you how it comes out. Really fluffy and the aroma amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little stick in the center. If it comes out clean, that means it's cooked through. And now I am ready to reveal how this cake is going to come out and how fluffy it's going to come out. Remember, when you use the non-stick baking cream, every cake is going to release from the baking dish very easily. Look at this, golden brown, but yet didn't stick to the baking dish. You have step by step how to make the amazing non-stick baking cream on my channel. And here, let me show you from close up how this looks. It's really cooked through. It's nice golden brown, and the aroma that it releases of the almond, just amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna flip it over, and this part is the part I am going to decorate with the amazing slices of almond, sugar, butter, and almond extract. So let's go to the stove. I have a saucepan here. I'm going to add my granulated sugar. I am going to have it in medium heat. I'm adding my butter, and I am just going to go ahead and melt the butter with the sugar. Of course, I'm not walking away because it could get burned very easily, and that's exactly what you don't want. So once it starts bubbling like that, it's really not going to change too much of a color. But now I am ready to add my slices of almond. Once you add the slices of almond, you are going to incorporate it. When everything is nice and covered, you are going to add half a teaspoon of the almond extract. This is really going to bring all these flavors together, and whisk it one more time, making sure that everything is covered with the almond extract. And now you're ready to turn off your stove and start decorating your cake. It's gonna firm a little bit, so just add a little bit at a time. And I can't wait to enjoy this amazing and delicious almond cake. Remember, if you like and loved this recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And here, let me show you the slice I am going to enjoy. Nice and fluffy, tender, and the aroma of the almonds, just perfection. Like I always say, when you cook and you bake with love, everything comes out delicious. I can't wait to enjoy, and I am ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this almond cake. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor of the almond is so penetrative. Just amazing. The crispy almonds right on the top, and the little pinch of sugar, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious almond cake at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.